Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Today again we are here with chapter 3rd, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. It is of +1 class. It is part 7. In part 6 we completed about the coordination. What is coordination and types of coordinative abilities. So today we will do physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, part 7, components of wellness. Components of wellness. What is wellness? If in simple language I talk about wellness, means physically fit, mentally fit, nutritional, they have to take nutritional diet, balanced diet, spiritually they are fit and fine, they believe in spiritual powers to calm their internal desires. This connection is very beneficial for the to calm our scattered mind. Other hand, if we talk about social wellness related to society. If a person who is living in society, he involved in all the activity of the society, it means he is socially well. His coordination, his cooperation in the work of society, it must be neat and clean and very sharp and intellect. He must intellect with everybody who is around a individual. That is the indication of the social wellness. Some points are there we will discuss today. So components of wellness, two things will be there: components of wellness or components of health related fitness. Don't be confused. I know many will be confused when this type of question will come. What are the components of wellness? Maybe in that answer they will write the components of health related fitness. When the examiner will ask components of health related fitness, they will write the components of wellness. Don't mix up these things. Check the video properly. First one is physical wellness. Physical wellness, here he is talking about the physically fitness, या physical fitness. A individual who involved in the physical activity, maybe in the games professionally, or on the other hand, like in the morning, in the evening, he indulge in the physical activity, that will bring the physical fitness in the individual. If a individual physically fit, then there is no disease, especially general disease, not take place in the body of the individual if a individual is physically fit. Physically fit, here he is talking about that 5 components about speed, strength, agility, endurance, body composition, flexibility. These all are very good. So that is known as the, if all these components are good and the body work properly, or it appears to others that a individual is, by their personality, a individual is fit and fine, so it will indicate the physical wellness. Okay, physical fit, immune system will be good, no infection. No infection, here no infection, we can talk about that a individual who is physically fit, a general infection will not harm the fit person. Okay, these type of things. Second one is intellectual wellness. Intellectual wellness means a individual mentally should be good, or what is in front of us, that is situation or that is any type of thing, A individual who is intellectual good, he can understand the thing, he can understand the situation, he can understand the problem, or he can bring the good ideas, creativity from internal mind through intelligence. A individual who is intellectual well, he will crack, he will cross that problem with the good ideas or good suggestion. Even his involvement in the society or these type of situation, it will be very good, the person who is intellectual well. Okay, third one is emotional wellness. Emotional wellness, here he is talking about a person must be emotionally controlled, a very important component. If that emotionally a person is well, automatically physically he will be fit and fine. Because sometimes what happen, a person who is by personality looking very good but emotionally he is weak. Even there are the types of body, endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph, even that picnic, athletic, asthenic, these type of introvert, extrovert, their emotions also matters. Okay, the person who is emotionally controlled, even in critical situation, that not feel fear, balanced one, and when a good thing occur, he will not become very happy more than normal, means emotionally controlled. If the person is emotionally controlled, then automatically he is emotionally well. Social wellness. Social wellness, about that we know we are a social animal, human being is a social animal, we are living in society. Our involvement in the social work in our society, our influence in the society, it should be very good. If we involve properly in the society or our conversation with the people, it should be according to the norms. We are not crossing the norms of the society, means we can talk about that not indulge in bad things which are not allowed in our society, like stolen things, like every time fighting with anybody. All things are depend on each other. Like if the person is not emotionally controlled, automatically he will not be social well, because if he is not emotionally controlled, emotionally good, automatically through emotions a person become weak, he will not perform his role properly in the society. So social wellness depend on the all the activity of the individual in society. It should be controlled one, it should be according to the norms of the society. A individual not do the activity which are not allowed in our society, means things we have to do which are for the benefit of the society or for the benefit of the people who is around us, who is relate with us. Okay, so that thing is known as the social wellness. Nutritional wellness. Here nutritional wellness means a individual have to take balanced diet, means what is the how much calories, how much energy he is burning through his work, that he is completing that calories through his balanced diet. So that is known as the nutritional wellness, means all the components which are required for our body in appropriate manner, not more than, means ati buri hoti hai, appropriate manners. If an individual is taking, so automatically that nutritional, that balanced diet bring good health. If good health is there, automatically physically fit, intellectual well, emotionally fit or social fit. So not indulge in the bad activity like alcoholic, cigarette, drugs, and not indulge in the lust, literature, bad literature. All things must be according to the good health, or he have to take good nutritional food, like all the components we can take about that: protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamin, minerals, all things in appropriate manner. That thing is known as the nutritional wellness. Sixth one, spiritual wellness. It is also required in our we can say behavior in the individual. If a person spiritually well, so automatically he is connected with the divine soul, means believe in God. Not this much that we believe in God this much hyper, this much deep, that we start believing in the superstitions. Superstitions means andhviswas. Our belief must be there, but in appropriate manner, means our connection should be there with divine soul, because that spiritual wellness bring the good behavior in the society, in the individual, because spiritual literature is also there which teach us how to live a calm life, means mentally, emotionally control, physically good, or our activity must be according to the what is the demand of divine soul. It is given in the literature, it's spiritual literature we can say. Many books are there. Maybe you saw Ramayana, Mahabharata. Even in Ramayana you can observe the behavior of Shri Ram. So his behavior, you know that according to the situation he behave very calm, or he handle the situation very easily. Even in Rishi Munis, through Rishi Munis they are showing the lifestyle of the individual, how he have to control their senses which are going to the bad things, or how they can survive a life. If a individual choose the life, they have to live like a Rishi Muni, or even we can say Brahmachari. Even that Gurukul, philosophy of Gurukul, that is the neve of the Gurukul life, that Brahmacharya. Okay, that is known as the spiritual wellness, means connection with the divine soul. Even cause of that, people are fearful. They are not indulged in the bad activity, they are doing good works in the society. Or a philosophy also there, if we will good things, automatically that our divine soul, our God, he feels good, he feels happy, or in our future that God secure our future, because our deeds are according to the divine soul. Seventh one is financial wellness. Financial wellness relate with the financial condition, economical condition of the individual, because nowadays life become this much fast or this much depend on the financial situation, financial condition, because now life is not like that stone age. We are living in the forest, we are eating the fruits, we are eating raw we can say chicken. Okay, nowadays we are living in the society where financial condition also matters. If our financial condition is good or appropriate according to the society, we can easily purchase the things which are necessary for our family, for us. So that is known as the financial wellness, means our financial condition this much good that we can complete our necessities, our needs. So that is known as the financial wellness. These all things interrelate with each other: financial wellness, spiritual wellness, nutritional wellness. Because financially good, automatically we can purchase the nutritional food from the market. Financial condition good, automatically our involvement in society also good. Financially we are okay, so automatically we are living in a good environment, happy environment that make us emotionally controlled. Financial wellness, intellectual wellness automatically become very good, because there is a value of individual in the society. Okay, or even he have a individual have a condition or capability to solve the common problems in the society or in the lifestyle which will come in the future. Physical wellness, it also relate with the that physical wellness, because all are interrelated with each other. Next one, environmental wellness. Nowadays you know that what happened, that the level of pollution is increasing, or you saw the difference recently. Example in front of us, when our government implement lockdown, what happened, there is no factory that working, no vehicles were running on the roads, nothing was there, or its impact directly go on our environment, on the nature. What happened, government working a lot to clean the Ganga, clean the Yamuna, but in lockdown what happened, after 15-20 days automatically they will clean, because no factory are working, no waste go to the rivers from the factories. Or second one, the level of pollution which will come from the which came from the vehicles or factories, automatically the environment seems very clean. Even we can also observe the color of the sky, it look like very bluish. For me, what my experience, I saw this type of bluish sky when I was in 6th 7th class. It is talk about around 2002-2003. Even some news came that the Himalayas are visible from 100-200 kilometer far from here also. From that Punjab, one news a news came from that, I think Gurdaspur or from where, Ludhiana, that Himalayas, that great Himalayas are visible from the Ludhiana. So environmental wellness, here he is talking about the, it is our responsibility. Nowadays we have to clean our environment. We have we should not throw the garbage here and there. We should not pollute our environment. Even we have to plant trees per year around us, where we saw that space is there, or we can plant a tree. So it's our duty, we have to plant a tree. Or cleanness means if everything is clean around us, automatically the general disease, they will not take place in our life. So it is related with the environmental wellness. So these are the points of wellness: physical, intellectual, emotional, social, nutritional, spiritual, financial, environmental. We will do in next part that components of health related fitness. I repeat again, don't be confused components of wellness and components of health related fitness. Component of wellness, these are, your syllabus is cut down, one that components of good lifestyle also were there. So these are the components of wellness. In next part we will do components of health related fitness. तब तक के लिए सभी को थैंक यू, नमस्ते.